In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to direct message in ClickUp. If you need to quickly reach a teammate without leaving ClickUp, the direct message feature is a simple way to do it. It's useful for quick updates, follow-up questions, or sharing context without starting a larger discussion somewhere else. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to send your message from start to finish. To begin, make sure you're on the main ClickUp homepage. From here, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Direct Messages section. This is the area where your one-on-one conversations live, so once you know where it is, it becomes much easier to access private chats whenever you need them. When you've located Direct Messages, the next step is to start a new conversation. You can do that by clicking the plus icon next to the Direct Messages section, or by selecting the option that says New Message. Both options do the same thing, so use whichever one is most visible in your workspace. After that, a search field will appear so you can choose who you want to message. In this box, type your teammate's name or their email address. As you search, ClickUp should show matching people from your workspace. Select the correct person to open the conversation. If you have a lot of teammates, searching by name is usually the fastest option, but email can help if there are similar names in your organization. Once the conversation opens, you're ready to write your message. Click into the message box, type what you want to say, and then click the send button. That will send your message right away. You may also see the option to schedule the message for later, which can be helpful if you want your note to go out at a more appropriate time or during a teammate's working hours. As a quick tip, before sending, it's always a good idea to read over your message once to make sure it's clear and concise. Since direct messages are usually meant to be fast and practical, keeping your wording simple can make communication easier for everyone. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the direct messages section is, creating a new message in ClickUp only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to direct message in ClickUp.